subscribe to our channel.
Hello, welcome to our channel. This is FemBamNY. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe to our channel. It will help our channel grow. For today's video, I'll be making balloon street lamp. All the materials that we have here will be in the description down below. Please check that out. With that said, we'll be using our electric balloon pump, and either that or this. If you want to know where to get this, please check our Amazon storefront. We'll put the link in the description down below. So we will inflate our balloon. This is 5 inches. We need 5 of this. So each layer will do 5 balloons. We will inflate the very bottom to 5 inches. So make it nice and round. I'll be using our balloon sizer. Once you get this, you tie this together. Okay, and then the last one. So this last one, you will attach it to your duplet. So we will grab our balloon stand, put this on here, and this one, and that. So it stays right on the base. So the next layer, we'll inflate our 5 inches balloon to 4.5 inches. So I already inflated this. So this is just like how you make this, the same way, but this is 5 inches balloon inflated to 4.5. Same thing, you put this on here. So you want to make sure that this falls in between your balloon, the gap. So the third layer is 5 inches inflated to 4 inches. Falls in between. The fourth layer and the fifth is 5 inches inflated to 3 inches. So right here. Alright, so we'll put this on the side. We will need our 260 cube balloon. So we need 3 of this. Okay, so stretch before you inflate this. Again, you can either use this one or this one. So I only got 3 right here. So we will put this, attach this here only up to this part. So I didn't inflate all the way. Connect these 2 together. And this one as well. So once you got it all tied up, put this in between, put this under here. Just like that. So once you get this, you just have to twist this. And only go halfway about it here. So once I'm done, you want to pinch this part right here, pinch, and then twist this one. Just like that. So now we'll cut the excess. Tie this too. And securely tie into here. Just like that. Alright, so we'll put this here so it's not too high. So now I have 5 inches gold balloon. So inflated this to 3 inches as well. So this, and then the third one attached to here. So the same thing, just like what we did on the black one. Put this on here. So after you do this, we will continue the black one from here up to here, just like that. So we'll continue right here. So I'll make this a little lower. So again, you want to put this under. Just like that. Again, you will twist your balloon. And again, only up to here. You want to squeeze, you pinch, and you twist. So cut the excess. Alright, just like that. So I left like about 2 inches of your balloon stand sticking out. So now we will make balloon beads. So using our 260 balloon, it's gold. So if you're new to this channel and if you want to know how I made this balloon beads in a step-by-step detailed process, please check the video right there. Okay, so pinch this here and then twist. You want to put this in between your finger. Never let go with your first balloon bead and the last. Just like that, okay? And then we'll put this on here. Just like that, okay? As I said, I already made 2 of this, and I have it right here. Never let go of your first bead and the last. So wrap this under. So we just want enough to cover the thing here. Just enough so it'll wrap around the post. So we'll put another one here, just like how we did here. So now let's continue. We'll put another balloon here. So 8 beads. Put the top bead later. Okay, so we'll put this on the side. So this time you need your latex balloon. This is actually 10 inches balloon. We'll inflate this. So inflate it to 9 inches, but don't make it round for this particular block. So we'll put this on the side for now. You need 4 black 260 balloon. Again, stretch. Leaving about a fist on the tip. So once you get them all connected, you want to make one of them fold, and then you want to pinch and twist about 3 or 4 fingers. Okay, just like that. So now you have 4 right here. Okay. So now you want to make sure you have the same. About 2 fists. You want to pinch and then twist. Squeeze, and then you fold about 1 or 2 finger, pinch and twist. Just like that. So you want to make them all like this, okay? Same height or length, pinch and twist. Make them all like that, all 4. So now I got them all four like that. Okay, once you get this, you want to connect this to your other one. So you want them all the same size. Pinch and twist, and then attach here. You do the same thing. You connect this to the other side. And then the same thing on this one. Connect it to here. You want to pinch and twist. So now they look like this. So we need our balloon. Latex balloon. So put this inside your black balloon. Just like that. So now you will hold all four like this. Just like that, guys. So once you got this centered, squeeze right here, pinch, and then twist. Just like that. So now this one right here, I'll put this in between. Just like that, guys. Just arrange it again. Center your balloon. So all you need to do is cut the excess. Just like that. So after you got this here, add another. So now add this here. You put this on top and then tie this on here. There you go, ain't that nice? Alright, so now for some additional background, we will add our flowers right here. So again, if you're new to this channel and you want to know how I made this beautiful flower, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. Alright, with this flower, we will add some leaf. So we'll use our 160 balloon, again stretch, and you can either use this machine or this little one, perfect for 160 balloon. Just like that. So what I did is fold this here, pinch, and then twist. On the other side, I'll pinch it like this, pinch it like this. Do the same thing, you pinch in the center, twist this one, put it here. There's your leaf. You can use your balloon glue dot. So now you got some leaves. Alright, so for the final touch, we're ready to attach this here. And there you go, it's finally done. This is our balloon street lamp. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. Once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care. Bye.